Thank you, Honourable Mr. Speaker. So I thank the Honourable Member for the question. The Vunisei Kavala access road entails construction of about 32 kilometers of unsealed road from Vunisei village to Kavala within the districts of Kadavu and Kasaleka on Kadavu Island. The scope of roadworks consists of 7.8 kilometer design and build section from Vunisei village junctions to Vukavu village junction, which includes construction of 9 low-level crossing and pilot cut section of 24.2 kilometers of road, alignment from Vukavu junction to Vadale village, which includes the culvert crossings as mentioned. For the pilot cut section, access road has been constructed for Vukavu village, Nyundua village, Chioma village, Nadamoto village, Kadavu village, Namachiu village, Lavindi, and Vadale. And, however, all these roads constructed are only currently accessible during favorable weather, as pilot sections are yet to be gravel. This project has experienced comprehensive challenges such as adverse weather, COVID-19 delays, physical site conditions, and land issues that has vastly contributed to the challenging progress. Overall progress is 77% complete, whereby the design and build section is completed, including the 9 low-level crossings. Hence, road is fully accessible for Vunisei School, Rabualu Village, Rabualu District School, Yavitu Government Youth School, Yavitu Village, Soso Village, and Nadeva District School. The program is to be completed or envisaged to be completed in January 2024 with provision of basic all-weather road access for the mentioned villages, schools, health centers, hence reducing rural transport costs for Nadeva and Kasalek.